Hi, this is Lynn with Queen Bee Organic Skincare, and I would like to talk to you about our sunscreen product called Bee Sunny. It's a mineral powder sunscreen that works beautifully. We live up in the Rocky Mountains and we use it for biking and hiking and boating. And it's one of those products that lots of people have never heard of before, but it is incredibly effective. So it's zinc and titanium, which is what dermatologists recommend that we all use to keep ourselves protected. And then it's mixed with a little mica and a little non-GMO cornstarch. And the way you apply it is you just sprinkle a little bit into the lid and then get a big black fluffy brush, mostly just something that you can see that the powder is on. So that is enough to do my face, my arms, my chest, and you want to just go lots and lots of different directions because the sun is being blasted at us in all kinds of different directions and being refracted as it hits. So you want to make sure that the protection on your skin does that same thing. So you apply it in multiple directions, and I do recommend reapplying it anytime you've been exposed or you're going to be in extreme conditions. It doesn't actually come off when you sweat, but it does come off when your skin is abraded. So when you wipe it with a towel or when you're hiking and you've got a collar that's riding against your neck, you do want to reapply it, especially in those sensitive, highly exposed treatment areas. Our product Bee Sunny did have its packaging changed in 2018, but the formula has been the same for probably 5 years. And we sure hope you give it a try. It's called Bee Sunny Mineral Powder Sunblock, and this is Lynn with Queen Bee. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to our offices and we'd be happy to talk to you. Thank you.